Hi, I'm Chloe, and welcome to this Viper console tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use the Graphics API to draw basic shapes on the screen. The first thing we're going to do is to draw a rectangle. For this, we're using the GFX.rectangle function. The parameters are the rectangle top left corner's position on the screen, the rectangle size in pixels, and the color as red, green and blue components. All color components are numbers between 0 and 255. To draw a line, we're using the GFX.line function. The parameters are the coordinates of the 2 points in pixels, and the color as RGB components. We can also draw a triangle. The parameters are the 3 points coordinates and the color. Now we're going to use variables to animate the shapes. We use the elapsed function to get the number of seconds elapsed since the start of the program. Then we use a sinus formulae to compute a position that changes over time. Let's store it in a local variable x. As you can see, by default, the screen is not cleared between each frame. This can be useful to achieve certain effects. But you generally want to start your frame with a clear screen. So we use the GFX.clear function to fill the screen with black every frame before drawing the shapes. The number of times that the render function is called per second depends on your screen refresh rate and whether the vertical synchronization is enabled on the console. In other words, you shouldn't use it to update time-dependent variables, as the game speed would change from one computer to another. In the next tutorial, we'll see how to use the update function to achieve a constant speed. We're also going to see how to get better graphics by using sprites. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in another Viper tutorial.